We'd like to show the inhibitive properties of Easy Mud Gold and how it affects the hydration of shale. If we take a cup of water and a cup of Easy Mud Gold, and add to them shale samples, which are actually cuttings that came from a water well just outside of Fort Worth, Texas. We'll add one piece to the water and one piece to the Easy Mud Gold. And these shales start to hydrate immediately and absorb water into their structure and fall apart. That's what happens to a drill cutting and the borehole wall in the presence of water. With Easy Mud Gold, the inhibitive property of that polymer coats the cutting, coats the borehole wall, and stops the hydration. As you can see, there's quite a difference with these two samples. Our first sample in the water has totally disintegrated by itself. We can stir it a little bit, and we just have a little mush on the bottom. Total destruction of that piece of shale in just a few minutes. Our second sample, our cutting in the Easy Mud Gold, is still intact. It's still a solid cutting. That allows us to drill it, have our drilling fluid transport it to the surface where it can be removed from the active system.